Hey guys, I'm in my garden in Galveston, Texas, just checking in with y'all today. It's Tuesday, y'all, and I'm doing a little grounding. I'm turning this camera around so y'all can see what's going on in my garden today. There's my fig tree, y'all, out of reach. I was gonna say that's for my birds. I have to use a ladder otherwise to get up there. Told the tree was hacked up when I was in the Gambia. This is my bitter leaf tree, bush, whatever. You see how big the leaves are? Came back after winter time. And you see my flowers, my roses. So beautiful, y'all. And it did that all by itself with me doing nothing while I was in the Gambia, y'all. And look at my boysenberry. You can even see a little fruit wanting to come up on it. Did everything by itself. And look at the chocolate mint, y'all, coming back. I didn't even notice this one last time. And look at the chocolate mint over there. My bed was just a little old short, well, small raised bed. I put the raised bed mix in here and some black cow manure. And I'm just going to wait till these seedlings sprout up. I have various seeds that I planted in this potting mix. And I'm just watering it just a little bit every day, just a little, y'all. And once it starts sprouting, I'm just gonna take my time and plant it. Some of the seeds seem like when you water it, they want to get exposed and gotta cover them up again. But anyways, this is how the boysenberry looks when it's flowering. And from the winter time it did it. And even look at this. It's got little buds on it. And this is on the part that I even cut the end, y'all. So it just wants to keep growing. So I'm just sticking it back in the soil and it'll do its thing, y'all. The sunflowers are getting taller, as well as the ones over there. We'll see what all happens with them after they get the flowering. And I got a box today, y'all, from Best Buy. So I'm gonna be opening it up. Supposed to be a tripod, y'all. So anyway, you see how it's bent and stuff. But I'll open it up and let y'all see. Since it's a tripod, I'm just gonna let y'all see it started off like this. And I'm gonna open it up. Okay, y'all, I got it open. Bubble wrap in here. Removed. And now here it is. This little tripod is blue. See? On my camera phone. See, y'all? It's a multi-pod. So nice pictures in the back. And see, got a USB charger and everything. Nice. I'll put it together later and let y'all see what it look like once I put it all together. Well, guys, I'm excited. I'll be excited about doing videos using a tripod. Once I get it together, I'm gonna do another video. Until then, have a wonderful and blessed day. Peace, peace, power to the people. I'm out, y'all. Bye.